Oh my, isn't that pretty? This is how we brush your teeth, and this is exactly what it feels like. Kind of tickles a little bit. Let's do this one. It makes your teeth really shiny and pretty. And I see you have very pretty teeth. You have spaces between your teeth, and that makes us happy. How did that do?
Good.
That did good? Let's wipe that toothpaste off of there, okay?
Yeah, we don't want to dissolve it. Like,
That's right. That's right. Give me this one. You are so good. You make your bed in the morning?
one time when I was sick, I used to go to the doctor.
Oh, did you? They're very helpful, aren't they? Now, this is another thing that we use here. And look at this, it's purple. Wow. This is called a bib. And this is so we don't get toothpaste on that pretty shirt. I'm going to fold it in half, and it goes like this. To hold the bib on, we use this little guy. You know what he looks like? Can you think of an animal that looks like this? You try it. Does that look like an alligator?
No.
Well, this is what we do. Alligator goes around your neck. You can look, and he's going to hook on over here. There we go. How's that? Now, I bet you can figure out what this is. Can you hold that? What is that?
I don't know.
Can you see yourself in there? Can you see?
Yeah, what's this?
That's what we're going to use to count your teeth today, to make sure you have the right amount of teeth. Okay? And we're going to count teeth just like we do fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All ready? You got it? I think you're going to be a dentist.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do you know your numbers?
6.
Wow. Do you go to school? Do you? Awesome. Okay. To see those pretty teeth, I'm going to use my light up here. I'm going to light your shoes up where we can see them sparkle. Whoa! Aren't they pretty? Yeah. All right. Yes, indeed. Okay, let's sit you back just a tiny bit. Let's give you a little ride here. This chair is so fun. Mom's going to stay right where she is.
My mommy's not going today.
Oh, okay. But she has pretty teeth. All right. You know something? I need my glasses. You know anybody who wears glasses?
Yeah.
Do you? Yeah?
Mommy.
Oh, look at these pretty teeth. Can I count?
Yeah.
You hold my mirror, okay? Open wide. Can you open wide? Oh! Did you brush those by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.